In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Fortnite settings is not saved on PC. Now the way that we can do this is first you want to come down here and you want to search for run, type in percentage local app data percentage, press OK, and in here you should find your Fortnite folder. So just look for Fortnite game, should be around here, open it, go into saved, and then you want to head over to config, Windows client, and you should have something called game user settings. Now what you want to do with this one is you want to right click on it and go to properties. If you're on Windows 11 you might need to press on show properties before you can do it, but head over to properties and then you want to uncheck read only. So make sure this one is not ticked, and then what you want to do is press apply, OK, come down here, right click on Epic Games, exit, and also make sure Fortnite is closed, restart PC, and then it should work. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.